Good morning, students. Today we are going to see chapter 8 Economy and Occupations. Our today's topic is trade. Trade in India and trade in Brazil. Let's recall. Read the table and answer the following questions. Question number 1. What is balance of trade? Answer is balance of trade is a difference between the import value and export value of a country. Question number 2. Tell the types of balance of trades. Answer. The following are the types of balance of trades. 1. Balanced balance of trade. 2. Unbalanced surplus and deficit balance of trades. Question number 3. In which country export exceeds import in all the years? Answer is in Brazil, export exceeds import in all the years. Question number 4. Brazil's balance of trade belong to which type? Answer is Brazil's balance of trade belongs to surplus or favorable balance of trade. Question number 5. India's balance of trade belong to which type? Answer. India's balance of trade belongs to deficit, means unfavorable balance of trade. Use your brain power. If Rajasthan does not have a coastal area, then how does it produce salt? I think Sambar Salt Lake is India's largest saline lake. It is located in Rajasthan and it is the source of most of the Rajasthan's salt production. Thus, Rajasthan produces salt, though it does not have a coastal area. Now we are going to see geographical explanation of Brazil regarding to trade. Brazil mainly exports iron ore, coffee, cocoa, cotton, sugar, tobacco, oranges, bananas. Whereas Brazil imports machinery, chemical products, fertilizers, wheat, heavy vehicles, mineral oil, and lubricants. Major trading partners of Brazil are Germany, USA, Canada, Italy, Argentina, and Saudi Arabia. Contribution of trade in GDP of Brazil was nearly 25% in 2012. Now we are going to see geographical explanation of India regarding to trade. India mainly exports tea, mangoes, coffee, spices, leather and leather goods, iron ore, cotton and silk textiles. Whereas India imports petroleum, machines, pearls, precious stones, gold and silver, paper, machines, etc. Trading partners of India are UK, USA, Germany, Japan, China, Russia, etc. Colors of both Indo-Brazil ties. Answer the following. What does BRICS stand for? Answer is BRICS stands for Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. Question number 2. When was it established? Answer. It was established in June 2006. Question number 3. What are the objectives of this bloc? Answer is mutual understanding, mutual economic assistance, increase in the trade between member countries, and cooperation are the main objectives of this bloc. Question number 4. The countries of which continent are not a member of this bloc? Answer is the countries of continent of North America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica are not a member of this bloc. Question number 5. In which continents do the member countries lie? Answer is the member countries lie in the continents of South America, Asia and Africa. Through BRICS, Brazil has opened up a strategic partnership with India. There have been arrangements or agreements for bilateral investments between India and Brazil. Figure 8.6 shows the trade between India and Brazil. Study the graphs and answer the following questions. Question number 1. In which year the value of exports to Brazil exceeded the imports from Brazil? As per the graph in 2008, 2010, 2011, 2013, 2014 and 2015, the value of exports to Brazil exceeded the imports from Brazil. Question number 2. In which year the trade with Brazil was most favorable or? Answer is in 2013, the trade with Brazil was the most favorable all. Question number 3. Comment upon the balance of trade in the year 2013. Answer is the value of balance of trade in the year 2013 for India with reference to Brazil was the maximum. The value of balance of trade for India was in surplus, means favorable. Question number 4. From which year the value of exports to Brazil have exceeded the value of imports from Brazil? Answer is from 2013, the value of exports to Brazil have exceeded the value of imports from Brazil. Question number 5. Write a note on the trade between Brazil and India. Answer is India's trade with Brazil is fluctuating nature. Since 2013, the value of exports of India to Brazil have exceeded the value of imports of India from Brazil. Since 2014, the India's export and import shows downfall. Now we are going to see comparative study of India and Brazil with reference to foreign investment. When we think about the level of investment of India in other countries, especially in Brazil, compared to Brazil, Indian companies' investment is high in Brazil. Indian companies invest their money in various sectors such as information technology, pharmaceuticals, energy, agro-business, mining, engineering and automobiles. As we think about Brazil, the level of investment of Brazil compared to India, Brazilian companies' investment in India is low. Just like India, Brazilian companies also invest their money in different sectors such as information technology, energy, mining, automobiles, footwear, biofuels, etc. Do you know? Let's read it. Brazil has been the largest producer of coffee for the last 150 years. The plant belongs originally to Ethiopia. It was brought to Brazil by some French settlers who established in the state of Pará in the early 18th century. Coffee farms are called fazendas. One more thing is given here. Do you know? Let's read it. Taxes are an important part of the economy and trade of any country. India has now switched to the GST, Goods and Service Tax, which aims towards one tax all over the country on various commodities and services. Brazil too has adopted the system from 1984. Like India, in Brazil too, GST has various slabs. In this way, today we have learnt Comparative study of trade in between India and Brazil. Students, textbook reading is very important for better understanding. So I hope you will read textbook very carefully. Thank you.